Your Excellency, I have the honor to announce that the commissioning ceremony for Fiji's High Commissioner Designate to Malaysia, Ratu Etueni Qiolele shall now begin. Your Excellency, I now have the honor to invite the Permanent Secretary for Foreign Affairs, Dr. Leski Maduata Korvavala, to read the commendation for Fiji's High Commissioner Designate to Malaysia.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. Etueni Qiolele, High Commissioner Designate of the Republic of Fiji to Malaysia, for today's commissioning ceremony. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs has fulfilled all prerequisites to ensure that all of Fiji's interests are covered whilst your servant, Mr. Etueni Qiolele, is in post. Your Excellency, Mr. Etueni Qiolele, whom you have faithfully dispensed, is now ready to duly execute his calling to be the High Commissioner of the Republic of Fiji to Malaysia. I thank you, Your Excellency.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to invite Fiji's High Commissioner Designate to Malaysia to take the oath of allegiance and the oath for due execution of office before Your Excellency.
I, Etueni Qiolele, swear that I will faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. So help me God. I, Etueni Qiolele, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji, and I devote myself to the well-being of the Republic of Fiji and all Fijians, protect and promote their rights, and well and truly serve the Republic of Fiji in the office of High Commissioner. So help me God.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to invite the High Commissioner to execute the oaths before Your Excellency. Your Excellency, I have the honor to announce that the commissioning ceremony has now concluded.